So once you open your Filmora, want to share Filmora, and it'll show something like this. And let me give you a brief introduction to the entire tools and different parts, what each of the panels hold, their specific meaning. So the first part is this is the menu, and the title is also there, this entire bar. And this bar has different menus that are dropped down in by nature. So from here you can get this new project, open any existing project, and open recent and all those stuffs. So you can save your project also. So, and you can exit project settings, you can change your project settings, you can delete any rendered files. So I'll be going about this rendering concepts and all those things later, but let me give you a brief of all those things. So here is the edit part, and followed by tools, views, export, help. I'll be going through each of them later, because these are very much elaborate topics, and I have to go in very much details. So the next thing is this screen you can see in here. Why I'm going to this screen before first, because this is a main screen where from here you have to fetch your or bring your import your clips. So here I am, and I can import my clip from here. Let me select one and open, so it'll load. So here it is. So this from here you can import many more. So this screen holds all your different imports, whether it's an image or it's an audio file or it's a video file. Everything will be stored in here and kept in here, so that from you can drag and drop it, or you can include it in other sections from this section only. The third part is this. So this is the export sections, and these are basically the different features that Filmora 9 provides you. The first is the media part. You can see this comes under the media part only. Then comes the audio part. Here you'll get some default audio that are provided by Filmora, paid version, followed by this title. So titles are basically the texts which will pop up or come up in within your video, and there are different styles. Each of them is provided. I'll go through each of them in details in the later tutorials, but let me just give you a glimpse. This is next is the transition. Here you can get tons of transitions of different genres, so you can take a look at this. So this is basically an amazing content in here. So everything will be displayed in this particular box. So this is the effect part. You can give different effects. You can see there are tons of effects provided by Filmora, and the elements also. You can add different elements to your video, and you can drag and drop these elements once you bring these elements in your video part. So I'll be going through it later. Split screen is the different ways you can split your screen and show multiple videos and all. So these are the different features it's providing in this bar. Coming down below, it's the main timeline where you will be able to see each and everything happening with your video. Let's suppose I add this. I click this add, I choose this quality, and you can see the entire video can be seen in here. So this is the preview area or the screen where you can witness each and every edits you make, and you drag and drop it here, and this is the timeline where everything comes into action. So let me reduce its size. This is a bonus thing I'm showing, and here you can see, here it is. You select this portion, and right click, delete. It'll gonna delete. Or if you select and hit this scan, it can also delete. So here you can see this. This is the timeline where we can edit everything. We can drag and drop, slide, move, and everything can be done from here. And the number you are seeing in here is the time. Is the time lapse that's going in a specific seconds. So this is it. Okay, so once you have done this, this basically has multiple tracks. This timeline has multiple tracks. One track is for video, the second one is for audio. You can see the logo. You can further add more tracks, either video, audio tracks, or image tracks also in the video only. I'll be talking about it later. Or you can delete tracks also. So this is it, the complete thing, and these are some of the options. This is the rendering button. This is where you can mark any particular video. This is for the recording purpose. If you want to record, which will gonna come up as an audio format down here, so you can record it. And there are lots of stuffs. I'll be going through each of them in a later video, so stay tuned for more excitement. Thank you.